Physics of the Impossible that airs every week starting on the 1st of December. Congratulations on the show. It's great to have you back here. Could we have done anything there? It was, to me, 15 hours doesn't seem like a whole lot of time.
Well, we dodged the bullet this time, but it was sheer luck. 15 hours isn't a lot of time. Quite frankly, we were caught with our pants down. We have amateurs scanning the skies looking for these things. Only recently do we have computerized cameras now beginning to scan the skies. But it's too little too late.
8,700 miles. Now, to you and me, that might sound like a pretty good perch. But that's from New York City to Bangkok if you're flying east to west.
And that's underneath our satellites. Underneath our satellites. Our satellites even go beyond the distance that this asteroid
But even
is.
if we had more early warning, can we do anything? Well, capability to do anything about it, Michio?
Not really. With 15 minutes warning, we have no capabilities whatsoever. However, in the future...
15 hours.
15 hours. However, in the future, we'll have perhaps months to years worth of warning when we can detect these things in far space, okay, deep space. Right now, we can't do that. So right now, basically, we're helpless. We're in the middle of a cosmic shooting gallery without the ability to dodge the bullets. The space shuttle, for example, which was profiled in Deep Impact and Armageddon, it just goes around the Earth. That's all it does. It just goes spinning wheels. However, we have to get something into deep space, and that takes our space probes that we send to Mars and to Jupiter. They could perhaps carry a payload that distant. But again, if you blow up an asteroid, then you might have 2 or 3 asteroids coming at you.
There we go. Now we're talking about even more space junk. 23 to 26 feet wide. What sort of damage could that do?
Well, you know, just 2 weeks ago, we actually had an asteroid the same size that hit Indonesia, created a fireball 5 times greater than the Hiroshima bomb. The vibrations were so great that Australia picked up the vibrations of this Indonesian airburst. It's on the web right now. You can actually see the explosion that took place, an airburst over Indonesia.
Did that burn up, or was there impact?
It burned up in the atmosphere. What happens is gases accumulate inside the object as it comes down and blows the thing apart. That's called a bolide. And they have more energy than a Hiroshima bomb. 5 Hiroshima bombs created a fireball that would have shocked everyone on the entire East Coast with seismic waves going out thousands of miles. And then in March of this year, we had a real near miss with a big one, 100 feet across. If that one in March had hit the Earth, that would have been a city buster. It would have wiped out all of New York, good parts of Connecticut and New Jersey. It missed the Earth by 45,000 miles. Again, just beyond our satellites.
Give or take a few. NASA, by the way, is going to start a hearing next week. This is news that just crossed a bit earlier today. They're going to look at the issue of asteroids, what we can do about it, more early warning systems, and also all that space junk that you and I talk so much about. Your point is well taken. Every time we talk about this topic, you remind us that the astronomers, the amateurs, are doing the work.
They're doing the work.
Ones who find.
And the number of amateurs you could put right inside this studio. That's our early warning system.
Does he make you feel better? I don't know.